Condolences from His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, to the bereaved families. This is a message of condolence to the families, friends, and the entire Utumishi Girls Academy fraternity. On behalf of the government and the people of Kenya, I extend my deepest condolences to the families, friends, and the entire Utumishi Girls Academy fraternity following the tragic loss of 16 of our daughters in the dormitory fire. To the parents who today face the unimaginable, no words can carry the weight of what you've got lost. As a parent myself, I know there is no grief deeper than that of a mother or a father who must bury a child. We mourn with you as one family. These were girls full of promise, bright, ambitious, dreaming of the women they would become and the country they would help build. They were not only their parents' daughters, they were the daughters of Kenya, and today the whole nation grieves as one home. We gather not only to mourn them, but to honor them for the joy they brought, the friendships that they cherished, and the futures that they reached towards with such hope. To the affected families, the government stands beside you, and to every Kenyan parent who sends a child to school in trust, I make this promise. We will not rest until our schools are places of safety, and we will take every measure that no family ever again bears this sorrow. I thank the teachers, first responders, health workers, and security agencies whose compassion and courage brought comfort in this darkest hour. May God grant you strength and peace, and may He uphold the entire Utumishi community as you carry this heavy loss. We'll remember these beloved daughters of Kenya. Their lives, though cruelly cut short, will never be forgotten. Poleni sana. Signed, His Excellency Honorable William Samoei Ruto, PhD, CGH, President of the Republic of Kenya, June 12th, 2026. Asanteni sana, poleni sana, Mungu abariki. We'll give this to the commissioner to distribute to the families. Asanteni sana.